Hi, this is Jamie from Shanti with a quick tip for you on working with our Shanti Plumeria Master Essence. So our Plumeria Master Essence is available as both drops and spray. And of course our spray is the most popular because it's so fragrant and it has almost this, an intoxicating fragrance that lures you off to another dimension, right? So it can be really good for invoking relaxation. It can be good to use around your bedroom at night to invoke sweet dreams. But I always like to make this analogy of the plumeria tree itself. It's got these thick trunks and deep roots that sink very deep, but it opens as a canopy and flowers above you. So it cultivates a sense of safety and grounding and nurturing, while also being very protective as you open, as you flower, right? So it can be good for meditation or relaxation or guided visualization, anything grounding, right? But also for opening your mind and higher mind to newer states of awareness. And it can be very good for cultivating discernment and strengthening your mind and even intellect, okay? There's a few different varieties of plumeria in this blend. And I would say that one of them is a little more softening and, develops softens the emotional field of the heart and is more nurturing, and the other, there's a few different, one is more for the heart, one is more for the mind and can be beneficial in, decision making and strengthening awareness. Blended together, it really can help to bring balance, to the mind and emotions so that you can attain a calmer state and at the same time feeling more inspired and uplifted. So I recommend this for, children who might be afraid to go to bed at night, or even adults, right? Facing your fears, because it does create such a sense of safety, as well as, cultivating a safe place, a safe space, both within yourself or around. But it's also very good for growing roots in your feet and feet chakras, your root chakra, your feet chakra. So actually spraying over your feet if you're somebody that has issues with your feet, to help release energy that can get trapped in them. So that is our Shanti Plumeria Master Essence. Thank you very much.